Hello everyone, welcome to a quick demo video of the display unit made for the traffic predictor system. To the left we have the system feeding you live traffic, and to the right we have the Cypress PSoC6 BLE Pioneer Kit with the E-Ink Display shield acting as the display unit. Both of them are connected via a GPIO pin to alert you when a vehicle is in front, and we also have a live temperature display. Let's see it in action. As soon as the board powers up, we have the logo displayed, and next we have the temperature screen where the screen is constantly refreshed, showing you the real-time temperature. Let me place my finger over the thermostat to show you the changes in temperature. And on top we have the ultrasonic sensor scanning the real-time traffic. When you have a vehicle in front, you have an alert in the E-Ink display shield, and LED glowing as well to help you out during the night times. The Arduino Uno and the Cypress PSoC is being powered with the help of a power bank right here, and we have the Arduino at front placed here over the case, and this is the display unit for the traffic predictor system. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned on more updates of this road test on Cypress PSoC6 BLE Pioneer Kit.